I feel like internet is good, but for some reason my browser has stopped to respond, which is not the best thing. I will get back to the plan. Alright, so I think we are live. I don't know if all of this is working or not. I will just make the pop out chat and then we will also get started. I will also tell you what we are going to be doing. So, the aim for today's live stream is actually I'm going to be trying to make a replica of Doodle Jump. Now, if you are following along with this channel, you know that I've already made a video on that. But the reason is that the code was very bad and the game also had a lot of bugs, glitches, and a lot of things that I did not want. So that's why. So alright, so welcome. I'm just gonna go something like that. Whatever you want. Um, I don't know why there's some problem with my Explorer. Like everything is just not responding. I don't know why I'm having these technical difficulties today. Usually I don't get these, but whatever. So I'm just going to start off right away. Also, you guys have to let me know in the chat if I'm really quiet during the stream, because sometimes that really happens that I forget that I'm doing a stream and just continue on my work because I just get dialed in. So, yeah. So I'm going to be using Pygame, obvious, input time, input math, and I will also just check out on one thing. I'm actually running this file from the command line, so I feel like I need to just get my command line working. Alright, and actually we will do all of that later. So let me start, just initialize it real quick, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and make the display. So screen is equal to pygame dot display dot set underscore mode, and let me just pass it the double of the width and the height of the screen. Then I can just define the game variables up top. So I'm just gonna go with as, so Doodle Jump has a height and a width. So what I will do is I will just give the width as something like um 500 and the height as 650. And now I will set the caption of the screen. So I can display dot set underscore caption. So I'm just gonna go Doodle Jump game. Alright, let me have a quick look over here. If please initialize by game mode or without it. Ah yes. I know I did it, but thank you for the advice. I also want to get this thing clear. Initializing Pygame is only important when you are rendering fonts. So if you are not rendering fonts, initializing Pygame is not what you really need to do. Now I am just going to be doing something with my icons. I think I need to do that because I had an icon but it's not in the same directory. Okay. So I will just do it real quick. Also, my phone is quite big, so it will take a second or two to find my icon throughout the folder. Game.png, always use that one only. And I've already gone ahead and got myself all the assets I need. They might not be in the same direction, but I have them. So I'm just going to copy it to my folder. There we go. It already has it. I did not know. Now I'm going to set the display icon. So I'm just going to icons game.png and I'm just going to set it. Game.display dot set icon and icon. Alright, let's go with the main game loop. Main game loop. Also, guys, if you do not understand anything when I'm coding this, let me know in the chat and I will be sure to help you out. And let me have a quick look at the stream. Just do that and I'm just going to continue. So while running for event and by game dot event dot get if the event dot type is equal to pygame dot quit running as false. Now I'm just going to go ahead and update the screen. I'm just gonna go pygame dot display dot update. So there we go. Main game loop is also done. Let me just run the code. Oh yeah, I need to save it. Okay, there we go. The reason I am running it through the command line is because I don't know. Whenever I do any piping stuff for my Visual Studio Code, it just does not want to. So that's why I'm doing it through the command line. But if you guys have it all set up perfectly, you can run it through PS. Type something in the chat, please. Thank you. Alright, hey, look at the screen. I just feel like that's not it. I think I'm gonna go with the dimensions I had already gone with. Because I've already made this game, but as I told you, it's very bad code. So let me quickly have a look at what were the dimensions. Because all of my backgrounds and all of that are of those dimensions. So I had a 600 and with us 800. Alright, I've gone with really old school dimensions. With I'm gonna go 800 and I'm just gonna go 600. There we go. Do that. Let me run the file again. Alright, we got it. I'm just gonna make it white. I don't like this black background. I'm just gonna go screen white. And also, if you guys are wondering which color theme I'm using, because this is not the standard VS Code color theme. It's called Monokai. This is the color theme PyCharm uses. I'm sorry, Sublime Text uses, and I really like it. So that's why I'm using this one. So there we go. We have it. I'm going to go ahead and now make the doodle or the player, whatever it's called. Make this is very standard. Not something too different. And now let me just go ahead and take all of the images. So I'm just gonna go over here. Actually, I'm sorry, over here. I need to find this one. And I had gone ahead and, as I told you, I have all of those images. So I can just go to my folder, release the file. Alright, now I will be able to do it all. Let me just comment out and see if it's not broken. Here again. Alright, it's working. It's working. So, alright, time to make the player. The name was Doodle. Alright. If you're wondering where I got these images from, I actually got them from the GitHub repo of a YouTuber. So his name was Rockies. He's a game dev, good guy. I got it from him. Uh, you guys can also check it out. I can obviously put a link in the description because it's not my GitHub repo, but I will make a GitHub repo about my Doodle Jump game, and I already have one, I guess. So you guys can check it out from there. Yes, I have. My first repo was that old. It won't have that jumping sound, but you can just comment out that code. So I'm just gonna set the player X and the player Y. Player X, I'm just gonna start it at the middle of the screen, then we'll move it accordingly. Um, but this code stop responding for a second. There you go. We got this really cute tool. I don't like this, man. The formatting is not that good. VS Code has good formatting with pretty, but this formatting is not the best. I don't like such types of format. Simply play a moment and then actually I think I'm gonna make the diagram because then I'll know how I want to tweak the values here and so this is what I want and I just copy that simple little trick, paste it, and I can just get your screen lit background uh, 0, 0. There we go. 25. And there we go. Got this cool sort of checker background. Uh, this is the background I wanted because it's like Doodle Jump and Doodle Jump also has the same one. And I always want to have that feel. So that's why. I hope these images are copyright. Whatever. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and now I will actually need to change. So I change to something like 3.5. The reason being I have a background now, so that's why I obviously need to do that. Let's just go with the player movement now. So if event type is equal to game dot down event dot k equals to game dot k underscore right player x underscore change is equals to 3 point 3.3 We'll see. If the event dot type equals to file game dot key up player x change equals 0. There we go. And I need to do one last step. Yes. Alright, there we go. We got everything done. I'm just gonna go ahead and run the code. Right. The play feels a bit too slow. I think I have to go with something like 5. The reason being, the background that we are using right now is quite like huge in spaces. But you can see, I feel like that. I don't know. But yeah, 5 is what we are gonna go with. Obviously, I will need to speed this guy also. Something like 5.3. Alright, let me move it left now. Alright, player movement done. Obviously, border checking is still remaining. Let's just do that. Yeah. This will be sorry. I played Doodle Jump. I think I had actually tried out the game by myself. I remember if the player X like lights, we need to spawn it at the opposite. So I need to make the player X as 730, and over here I need to make the player X as 0. I think that's how to just work. And I played on my iPad. I think that's how. Yeah, this is how it works. If you collided with like the side of the background, it shows what happened. All right. So we are quite on track. No huge errors till now, and everything is working quite nicely. And I don't want to change it. So career and then what's how long is it? All right. I'm sorry if this was actually done a long time ago. This is going to be something like an hour long live stream. And yes, for Python, PyCharm is the best. The reason why I'm not using PyCharm, as you can see, I do all of my machine learning in PyCharm. The reason why I'm not using PyCharm right now is because PyCharm is quite heavyweight, and I don't want to like spoil myself with all of that auto completion. And that's what I would recommend to everybody. That whenever you're doing some heavyweight project, only then use PyCharm. If you are a Python learner, I would highly like recommend you just use ideally restart at Python. If you even look up at any YouTubers, or they say that PyCharm is good only for heavyweight Python development. I would recommend you use something like Sublime Text if you are a beginner. Now that I've like crossed the beginner level, I've been learning Python for quite a while. So that's why I use PyCharm for a lot of my things. Like this Doodle Jump game I made in PyCharm because it was kind of like I was not sure how I wanted to go about. And you can also see that even all of the AI games is what I make in PyCharm. So let me actually show you a quick little example just in case like you are still kind of me find it. and actually created this app. Now here's the thing: if you want to make something this long, you need to use PyCharm. You can't use anything like VS Code. No, it won't work. It's going to be horrible for you. But when you are doing something like just 100 lines of code or 150 lines of code, you don't actually, I would say, don't use PyCharm. It will really spoil you. And you don't want to do that because all of those auto completions and there's a lot of people put in something like a kite autocomplete and all of that. I have put it in my sublime and PyCharm. So that's right. That's all I want to say. Like nothing too much like don't use it. It's awesome. Just telling that. Alright, best license. Thank you. VS Code is the best. Yeah, it's not the best. It's quite slow. Uh, but we can, work with it. Cause, but as you know, it's like maintained by Microsoft. So the good thing is it gets like constant stream of updates. That's one good thing about VS Code. But they should like kind of make VS Code a bit faster. Cause like if you put in a lot of packages in VS Code, it's going to be horrible for you. Like I have 50 packages in VS Code. I need a lot of them, and it's like some really good amount of features, and it's also made by Microsoft. I like Windows, as you can see. VS Code is pretty good. So you can see we have done border collision for all of the places we want. I'm not going to do the top border checking right now. So yeah. So now what I'm going to be doing is let me just do player mode. Just put that in there. And alright, so now it's time to actually make the platform. Uh, I'm going to be doing multiple platforms in the later part, and I'm not going to be hard coding all of them in. I'm going to be using for loops and all of that jazz. Also, the name of the image. Let me just have a quick look. Alright, for the Doodle platform. Now I will need the random module. Now here's the thing. I don't want to spawn it at a random X. I also want to spawn it at a random Y. So the platform, I'm going to spawn it between 80 and 720, and the platform Y, I'm just going to spawn it at um not random, just spawn it at something like between 80 and the height was 600, so 520. Now let me just split the platform. So def platform xy screen dot split platform happening. Alright, so let me have a quick look at the live chat. Yes, I talked about this. Alright. And um and the code, and we got our platform. Let me check if it is randomly spawning. Alright, we got the platform. And the good thing is everything over here looks like Doodle. this is working properly, and the platform, the water checking, gravity, everything. Alright, so you almost about to touch on the lines of code, but alright. So now what I'm gonna be doing is collisions between the player and platforms. F is collision. So this distance is equal to, or I use max, import max. Distance is equals to max dot sqrt max dot pow layer x minus platform x raised to the power of 2 plus max dot pow layer y minus platform y raised to the power of 2. So if the distance is less than 50, then I'm gonna go ahead and return else. I'm just gonna go ahead and return false. Collision. So collision is equal to is actually I'm just gonna copy this, copy that, and I'm just gonna paste it there. So if it's a collision, then I just want to. Now here's the thing. I can do it by two ways. I can either make it a bit smoother by incrementing the player y change and then checking out with the coordinates. And I can, instead of that, the quicker way will be just I just go ahead and increment the player y. So I can just go ahead and do something like player y plus equals 150. But then I will try and do it in a better way, but I doubt it will work because it's really complicated. Alright, I feel like we need to run it again. Give me a place. Alright, feel like the platforms are not on my side. Alright, I'm just gonna let it at a actual normal Y right now. Then we so something like height is 600, right? 550. Or the platform is like not 64 by 64. Or oh, what just happened? Um, Oh, yeah, got it, got it. I need to do minus because coordinates. But remember that. And there we go. Would you look at that? You can see the player will bounce every time it like gets on this platform. Now the thing is that I think gonna have a quick look over here. Just a second, guys. Conditions. Alright, nothing. So the thing is, I can also do it in a much smoother way. I think I'm gonna try it out. So the player Y change initially is 5.3. If I just make it negative 5.3, and now if I will do it, I want to show you something. So, alright, wait, the heck was the platform? Oh, the platform was over there. I did not see that. Oh no, the player just moves. So what I'm gonna do is do something like if player y minus 100 is lesser than this one, lesser than platform y, then I'm just simply going to make the player might change as negative. I'm sorry, positive 5.3. 100% won't work, I know, but let's try it out. Hope it works. And what's this? Hmm, don't get it. Negative 5.3. I know, yeah, I need to be more negative. Why? Think that's I don't know. Alright, this is not going to work apparently. Um, oh, I get it. The thing is that the player when it's falling, the platform is gonna be greater. So what I can do is, you know what, this is unnecessarily really complicating the code. I'm just gonna go play watching this minus. Alright. So at least everything is working. Fine. Boom. What just happened? Alright. I forgot to get rid of change. Where is the platform? There we go. The player is I'm just gonna within like 200. Alright. Now it's time to make the multiple characters. So the way I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be making a list and appending, doing that. So what I'm gonna be doing is just going platform image is equal to a blank list. Platform x is equal to a blank list. Platform y is equal to a blank list. And now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be picking out platform image dot append and platform x append this guy. And I can just go and put this guy, and I obviously need to change the planet. And I'm also gonna be doing some. Alright, so the platform Y we can just spawn that as 0. And the player can jump like 200 pixels, so I'm just not like 200. 200 to now what I need to do is now that I've appended all of this, I need to do something. I'm not thinking. Let me have a quick look for you. Um, I done in this game that I'm playing. Where is it? I think this was another folder. like bouncing game. Yeah, bouncing. Yes, this one. Oh, I really need one more thing. So, how many platforms do we want to put in this game? How many platforms do we want to put in this? Um, I'm just gonna go number of platforms as five for now. We tweak the value later on, and obviously I'm gonna put this at full. So for I am range for the number of there we go. Now what I need to do is over here I just need to put this guy because I want to split. But the thing is, even if I split, I want to split it at the item. I feel like that's so I uh, I it's still not gonna work. I know. I've already worked with these things. Alright. So what they do is I need to do platform movement. Now I don't have any platform movement, so that's kind of good. That's actually good. That's good. So I'm just gonna copy this. Then we command real quick, and I just need to put it in the num of platforms, and then I can simply go ahead and just copy that, and then I just need to put an ith index over here, and if I have not made any mistake, it should work. And all right, let's what line 1 5. Type an invalid destination for select. What are you trying to tell? Screen of blend. Platform. I was. Um, this is how we do it. I think it's different. So now it's done. I with an invalid destination for blend. Oh, I got it. I need to blend it inside of the loop. Sorry. So, I'm sorry. You just split it in there. Well, how did they do that? Alright, thank you. How did we do it? And that was it. And we obviously need to put an island here. And there we go. We have a number of platforms. So the Doodle Jump game is coming together very nicely. I do not. I never thought that this game would come up so nicely. I thought that there would be a ton of bugs, a ton of glitches, and only in 40 minutes. Wow, that's good. I will do that in here. Just a minute, jeez. And everybody is like quite quiet in the chat. Just type something out. I really like You know, pumps me up. So what I'm gonna be doing now is trying to implement something like music. I think I'm gonna do it at last. So now what I'm gonna be doing is what do we do? Let me actually run the code now. See if the action works. Right, the platform left right, kind of. Obviously, it's not going to be perfect. There are going to be such. Also, because the screen is like quite small, so you can't just expect something like that. Alright, so now what I'm going to be doing is making the score. What do we do? That I think I'm just going to do it here. So I'm just going to go score is equal to 0. So again, I'm going to alright. Free sample .pdf 32 next X. Then yeah. Alright. Let's now render and let this go. I don't know how that works. And now I'm just gonna define a variable called background. What happened? Oh, let me just press shift and tab and now tab. And it's obviously just four values called score and club values go. Why did I do this value? So I can now just let this go. Class. You're telling. But for the font, free soundboard.tdf. I feel like I would have spelled it correctly. Oh yeah, I know. There's some problem in my phone. I need to move this file from my phone. Just a second. I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me do that. Right. I never told which one. Need to open it. No. Hmm. Let's see. Ariana and Python is still Ariana work on large basis. Yeah. It's it's like your opinion. You can't just both PyCharm VS Code. It's nothing like I do not think PyCharm is good. It's awesome. Love it. Don't think you can do large projects without PyCharm. But as I told you, not good for small projects. Really, it's a bit too overkill. Now I need to find that one file. Oh my god, this is. Where is the complete space shooter? Deep, deep learning. Deep learning. Tool jump cake. There we go. Finally got it. Where is it? Feel like there's some problem. And yes, today. Don't know what's happening. Sorry guys, I think I'll need to switch my TV. There's no problem. I don't know what is happening. I will just do it by chance. If it wants to respawn, which apparently no does not. Ooh, why is this happening? Wait on the file or open up a new terminal. Why isn't this guy respawning? Oh, reference. Why are you saying? How was that reference before? Two numbers. That's what I want. Second, if my jam is off. Open up the file. What am I saying? Come on, make the file. Alright, got the file. Let me just give it a configuration. Alright, so gonna debug or come on, why isn't this responding? Charm plus plus main apply okay. So we alright. Let me continue. Thank you. My pleasure. Problem is, yeah. Alright. Ah, yes. Okay. Make this call. Home is equal to 0. Allow you all of office. Copy that and let it just paste. Okay. Now just copy this to course. It's part of the pit fitting. Okay, now it will work and we'll have our game ready. Come on, stop. Come on, what's happening? Oh, no. Give it this blind. Stop this. And now I'll just do the top much. If we player one, less than 10, I want to set the player one, 2, 6, 100. No, I'm sorry. And I also want the platforms to reset. Okay. I think it will. Oof. Let's. I, I. Feel like now we'll have the game ready. On the Quran, see, 100% is gonna be an error, but let's just try it out. Okay, I looked at it. I saw this is no. Oh, I know. Okay, so it actually works. You can see the platforms actually. And there we go. We have our game, and I'm going to stop the live stream now. So thank you to all of the people who hopped in, chatted, and I had a great time. So that's it for today, guys. If you want some more, comment down below. And until the next time we meet, bye bye.